The federal flood insurance program has expired, and that pause is causing uncertainty for homeowners and buyers across Florida. I'm neighborhood reporter Lynthius Cheney in downtown Tallahassee with what FEMA and lenders say this means for your coverage and anyone trying to buy a home. FEMA says the National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP, expired at midnight on September 30th when Congress failed to approve new funding. Until the program is reauthorized, no new or renewal flood insurance policies can be issued. That pause is leaving homeowners in flood-prone areas waiting and in some cases walking away from deals. Mortgage lender and FSU graduate Ari Tokar says he's expecting contract delays because buyers can't secure the insurance required to close.
If there were a case where a property was not covered by the private market, like that loan would not be able to close because lenders require flood insurance to be in place if it is in a flood zone at the time of closing.
Nationwide, FEMA reports more than 4.7 million active NFIP policies are protecting homes, businesses, and properties valued at over $1.3 trillion. Those numbers show how deeply the program is tied to the housing market, especially in coastal states like Florida, where flood insurance is high and coverage requirements are common. The Florida Department of Financial Services says most flood insurance in the state is written through the NFIP. Private flood insurance is still available under Florida law, and regulators say homeowners should explore those options to avoid gaps in protection. Tokar says preparation is key for anyone buying or refinancing during the lapse.
The best advice right now is just do your due diligence up front. Knowing that you're not necessarily going to have the full gamut of insurance options, make sure that you get your quotes earlier on in the process than sometimes people do. That's really important because you need to know if your monthly payment's going to be higher, if your cash to close expectations are going to be higher, or again, in the worst case scenario, if you might not qualify for a loan on a particular property that you thought you would qualify for previously.
Tokar says USDA loans for rural areas are among the most affected by the government shutdown, and the longer it continues, the more closing delays buyers can expect to see. In downtown Tallahassee, Lynthius Cheney, ABC 27.